Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you my top 10 gadgets that are all under $100. Now, I know what you're thinking, how can something be good if it's cheap? But trust me, these gadgets are worth your time and money. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. 1. Wireless earbuds. It's no secret that wired headphones can be a pain. They get tangled, they're easy to forget at home, and if you're exercising with them, they can get in the way. That's why wireless earbuds are such a game changer. Not only are they more convenient, but they're also more comfortable and stylish. And with so many different brands and styles to choose from, there's sure to be a pair of wireless earbuds that's perfect for you. Whether you're looking for the latest features or the best deal, there's a pair of wireless earbuds out there that will suit your needs. So ditch the wires and make the switch to wireless today. 2. Portable charger. A portable charger is a great gadget to have for daily life. It can be used to charge any USB device, such as a smartphone or tablet. Portable chargers come in a variety of sizes and battery capacities. Some even come with solar panels for charging on the go. Many portable chargers also come with built-in lights, making them perfect for use in emergency situations. Portable chargers are relatively inexpensive and can be found at most electronics stores. 3. Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth speakers are one of the best gadgets you can buy for under $100. For starters, they're incredibly portable and can be used anywhere, whether you're in the park, at the beach, or in your own backyard. Bluetooth speakers also have a long battery life, so you can enjoy your music all day long. And finally, they offer superb sound quality, making them ideal for listening to music, podcasts, or even watching movies. So if you're looking for a versatile and affordable gadget, a Bluetooth speaker is the perfect choice. 4. Selfie stick. A selfie stick is a pole that attaches to your phone or camera, allowing you to take pictures of yourself or group shots without having to hold the camera. They've become increasingly popular over the past few years, as people have become more obsessed with taking pictures of themselves. Selfie sticks come in a variety of styles and sizes, and can be used for both photos and videos. Some even come with Bluetooth remote controls, making it easier to take the perfect selfie. If you're looking for a gadget that will help you take better pictures of yourself, a selfie stick is a great option. 5. Power bank. A power bank is a device that stores energy and can be used to charge electronic devices, such as phones and laptops. Power banks come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and the amount of charge they can hold varies depending on the model. Some power banks can even be used to jumpstart a car. Most power banks use lithium-ion batteries, which are rechargeable and have a long lifespan. When choosing a power bank, it's important to consider the type of battery, the capacity, and the size. You should also decide whether you want a power bank with extra features, such as a flashlight or an LCD display. With so many options on the market, finding the perfect power bank for your needs can be tricky. However, taking the time to find the right one will be worth it in the long run. 6. VR headset. A VR headset is a gadget that allows you to experience virtual reality. Using a VR headset, you can view computer-generated images, interact with them, and even feel like you are inside the virtual world. VR headsets are becoming increasingly popular, as they provide an immersive experience that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. There are many different VR headsets on the market, ranging in price from under $100 to several $1,000s. Some of the most popular VR headsets include the Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and Sony PlayStation VR. If you are looking for a gadget that will allow you to have an immersive, hands-on experience with virtual reality, then a VR headset is a great option. 7. Tablet PC. A tablet PC is a fantastic gadget that can make your life easier and more convenient in many ways. It can serve as a primary or secondary computer, as well as a powerful media player and gaming device. Its portability means you can take it with you wherever you go, and its long battery life means you can use it for extended periods of time without having to worry about recharging. In addition, its touch screen interface makes it very user-friendly, and its wide range of apps means there's an app for almost everything you could need. Whether you're looking for a way to stay connected on the go or simply want a more convenient way to consume media, a tablet PC is definitely worth considering. 8. Action camera. If you are looking for an action camera, then this is the best gadget for you. It is very affordable and it will allow you to capture all of your daily life experiences. You can use it to record your favorite moments, to take pictures of yourself, or to shoot videos. It is also very lightweight and compact, so you can easily carry it with you wherever you go. Additionally, the action camera comes with a variety of accessories, such as a waterproof case, a remote control, and a tripod, so you can easily take advantage of all its features. 9. Laptop sleeve. A laptop sleeve is one of the most useful gadgets you can buy, and it's an affordable way to protect your computer from damage. Laptop sleeves come in a variety of sizes and styles, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. They're usually made from padded material to help protect your laptop from bumps and scratches, and some even have waterproof features to keep your computer dry in case of spills. If you travel frequently with your laptop, a sleeve is an essential way to keep it safe from the rigors of travel. And even if you don't travel often, a sleeve can still help prolong the life of your computer by protecting it from everyday wear and tear. Whether you're looking for basic protection or something more durable, there's a laptop sleeve out there that's perfect for you. 10. Smartwatch. A smartwatch is a wearable device that has many of the features of a smartphone, including the ability to place and receive calls, send and receive text messages, access email, and use GPS navigation. Smartwatches come in a variety of designs and colors, and can be purchased from a variety of online and brick-and-mortar retailers. While some smartwatches are designed to be used with specific smartphone models, others are compatible with a wide range of devices. In addition to offering convenient access to all of the features of a smartphone, a smartwatch can also track fitness data, such as steps taken and calories burned, and can even be used to make mobile payments. For anyone who is looking for a wearable device that offers all of the features of a smartphone in a compact and stylish package, a smartwatch is an excellent option. So this was the all about this video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.